Tuesday. An unsettled weather pattern will return for Wednesday, and another large system will move through the Ohio Valley Thursday night into Friday night. Here are the 3 p.m. weather conditions. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Fayette County, Ohio, northeastern Highland County, western Ross County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hillsboro, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hillsboro, Greenfield, Leesburg, Bainbridge, Good Hope, Frankfort, South Salem, Bourneville, East Monroe, Samantha, Rainsboro, Lauderdale, Austin, Paint Creek State Park, Rock Mills, and New Martinsburg. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Franklin County, Ohio, northeastern Madison County, southeastern Union County, Ohio, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Choctaw Lake, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Upper Arlington, Hilliard, Plain City, West Jefferson, Choctaw Lake, New California, Lafayette, Interstate 70 at U.S. Route 42, Amity, State Route 29 at State Route 38, Resaca, U.S. Route 33 at U.S. Route 42, and Plumwood. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 75 and 82. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.